Hey there, Geometry. It's Mr. Lamb again. Here is Unit 3. Unit 3 was about proportion, so doing our cross multiply and divide and showing that things are similar. So that means their angles are congruent and their sides are proportional. So question number 1, just first wants to make sure we know how to solve a proportion. This is going to be our cross multiply. So I will do 6 times 5 is 30. And 8 times z minus 3, I need to distribute. So 8 times z is 8z. And 8 times minus 3 is negative 24. Add 24 to both sides. So 54 is equal to 8z. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 8. And 54 divided by 8 is 6.75. 6.75 for z. Number 2 says the rectangles are similar. So I can set up a proportion. And I'll take a look at rectangle number 1 first. Rectangle number 1, I'll go small over large, so 3 over 9. Rectangle number 2, small over large, is 6 over x. And then I'll cross multiply. 3 times x is 3x. 6 times 9 is 54. And divide both sides by 3. 54 divided by 3 is 18. All right, I'm on to question number 3 now. Determine if the following triangles are similar. Show why or why not. So I'm going to check over here first. I want to look at my 3 sides and see if my 3 sides are in fact proportional. So I'll go small to large, so 6, 9, and 12. And my second triangle, small to large, is 4, 6, and 8. And I'm going to simplify all of these radicals. So 6 over 4 reduces to 3 over 2. 9 over 6 reduces to 3 over 2. And 12 over 8 reduces to 3 over 2. So since they reduce to the same thing, 3 over 2 is my scale factor, and these two are similar by side, side, side similarity. The middle has a congruent angle, so I just need to check the 2 sides that surround the angle for proportionality. So my triangle on the left, small to large, again, is 6 to 8. And my triangle on the right, small to large, is 15 to 20. So 6 over 15 reduces down to 2/5. 8 over 20 reduces to 2/5. So the scale factor here is 2/5. Since it has an angle and it has 2 proportional sides, this is side, angle, side similarity. And the last one, it's a little tough to see up here on my screen. It shows this top angle is 85. The right angle is 40. The bottom triangle is 85 and 55. I know that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle has to be 180 degrees. So if I do 180 minus 85 minus 40 for my top triangle, I'll see that angle X has to be 55. I can do the same thing on the bottom one, and I can see that that angle is 40. And it just needs to have 2 of them the same, and I can see they're all the same. This one is angle, angle, similarity. So all 3 examples there are similar figures, one by side, 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 one by side, angle, side, and the last one by angle, angle. And the final question here, it says that these 2 figures are similar. So that means the angles must be the same. So 2x plus 5 has to be equal to 3x minus 35. Subtract 2x on both sides. Add 35 to both sides. And x has to be equal to 40. And now my sides must be proportional. So on the left, I have y plus 3 and 9. And on the right, I have 10 and 12. They must be proportional, so I can cross multiply. 12 times y plus 3 is going to be 12y plus 36. 9 times 10 is going to be 90. I'll subtract 36 on both sides, so 12x is equal to 54. And I'll divide by 12, and x is equal to 4.5. And that was a quick one. That's the end of Unit 3.